Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a workspace. Now let's say you're inside whatever workspace that you're in and you want to rename it. You can easily go ahead and find the workspace at the top of your page and you'll see a pencil icon. You click on that and you can change it. So let's say I want to call this one Taco, I don't know, test, or Taco Bell. Let's call it Taco Bell, right? Go ahead and click and save, and that's it. It's changed. Now I'm going to show you from a different view. I'm going to click to the uppermost right hand side and select a different workspace where I have some cards. And this is maybe the view that you're used to. And in order to, again, change the workspace name, you can easily go ahead and do that. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the workspace. Ensure that you select the correct workspace that you want to, change. And once you select that workspace from the menu options here, it will take you over to that workspace page where you have your cards and all those things, your boards. And you can click the workspace name here and you can change it. So I can just call this one my board or my space. Let's call this one my space, right? My space, right? Let's call it that. Then go ahead and click and save. And that's it. It's renamed. If I click workspace at the top, you can see that it's no change. And if I want to go into, for example, my boards, you can also see that the workspace is no change. On the upper left hand side, it says my space. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and rename or change the name of any workspace in Trello.